Hello and welcome to the brief guide on how to optimize your store for SEO using the SEOKart app. When you open the app, you will see a dashboard with your store's overall SEO score, along with other SEO factors. It also shows the actions that need to be taken to improve this score. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the SEOKart menu panel. Click on the SEO Optimizer to see the SEO scores of all your pages. You may notice that some pages have a low score. Click on the Optimize button to optimize a particular page. Once you click on the Optimize button, you'll see a detailed on-page SEO report for that particular page, along with the overall SEO score of the page, and issues such as meta tag, content, image, and URL issues. The tick marks represent that it is properly optimized, while the red marks represent errors. You need to fix these red crosses to optimize your page. As you keep fixing these issues, you'll notice a real-time improvement in your SEO score. You can also use the AI Assist. This tool generates suggestions for your page and helps optimize it. AI Assist can generate meta tags and product or category descriptions. Now let's try to increase this product's SEO score. Start by identifying and entering the relevant target keyword. Since the page is about Canvas laundry cart, this should be your target keyword. The app shows that there is an issue with the title length, which should ideally be between 40 to 60 characters, including spaces. The target keyword should also be included in the title. You can either write a title or use our AI assistant. Let's try out the SEOKart app's AI Assist feature. By clicking on the AI button, a title text will be generated using your target keyword. To apply this to your page, click on the Use It button. You'll notice that the generated title tag has an optimal character length. If the AI suggestion doesn't suit your needs, you can modify it or click on the AI button again for a new suggestion. Next up is the meta description for SEO optimization. This should be between 120 to 160 characters. Again, you can use the AI Assist button to generate a meta description and click on the Use It button to apply it to your page. After making these adjustments, you'll see a significant improvement in your page's SEO score. You can also fix content issues such as broken links, HTTP links, and spelling errors. To do this, click on the number followed by the error. The spelling error feature shows incorrect spellings and assists you in correcting them. If the spelling error is a brand or product name, you can choose to ignore it, and the error will be fixed. Another common issue is missing alt text for images. To resolve this, simply add relevant alt text such as Canvas laundry cart, which describes our image. You'll see that the error is immediately resolved. As you continue to correct these issues, your page's SEO score will continue to increase. You can see that the score has now reached 100%. Finally, check for any issues related to the URL and take the necessary action. Please note that this may require expert assistance and is therefore optional. Once you've fixed the issues, save your changes by clicking the Save All button. Congratulations, your page is now optimized. By following these same steps, you can optimize the other pages of your store as well, making them SEO friendly.